Hi and welcome to BikeNord. Today we will unbox the exhaust system for our Dyna Build. If you don't know about the Dyna Build, it's a series that we're going on YouTube. So check out, there is a link somewhere here. And you can follow us how we build a club style Dyna. On this Dyna we have ordered a Bassani 2-to-1 exhaust system in stainless steel, raw stainless steel. So I'm very excited to open this up and check it out. Of course, I'm more excited to put it on a bike and listen to the sound and hear how it roars. But from now on, we will have to be satisfied. We just open up and check out what's inside. So let's do that. Okay. So this is a Bassani. Part number is 1D1SS. It's the collector stainless short megaphone. And what I have heard, it should sound really great. It's maybe not so easy to open, but that's also a good sign, because then they have package. Yeah, really good, and that's important. Okay, this looks like we have to put it on the side. Or maybe we should put it on the other side. Drag it out like this. Oh yeah, here it is. So, what do we have here? We have the megaphone, very nicely wrapped up, very well packaged. We have the headers, also those are very nicely wrapped up. I will not unpack it now, I just want to give you a short view of what's in the package. And this is what you get when you order a Bassani 2-to-1 system from our website. You can check it out on the website. It's laying around there, so just for you to put an order. The megaphone, it comes with a warranty card. That's great. It comes with all the screws and fasteners that you need, the brackets, etc. For everything. That's great. And the bracket as well for the bike. That's great to have too. So yeah, here you got it all actually. So yeah, that's actually what we have to offer today. It's a Bassani 2-to-1. Really looking forward to put it on the Dyna Build, but as you see, Bassani, they take care of the exhaust system when they ship it. They package really good, so you don't have to worry about any freight problems with the system. So until next time, please follow us at the Dyna Build on YouTube, and you will see when we put this on the bike in that series. So that's all from me and BikeNord today, and stay healthy, ride safe, and see you in the next one. Bye.